See what happens when you add milk to old bread. This is the secret that bakers will never tell you. Start by adding 2 pieces of old bread to the blender. Then, add 500 milliliters of milk. And if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button. Next, add a 395-gram can of sweetened condensed milk. Then, add 3 eggs. After that, cover the blender and let it blend for about 2 minutes. A friend who has been a baker for 10 years revealed this secret to me. After I discovered it, I make it twice a week. It turns out simply amazing. Next, add 1 more piece of bread and blend for a minute. I didn't add all 3 pieces of bread at once because they wouldn't fit in my blender. After blending really well, set this part aside. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar. Turn on the heat and stir constantly until the sugar melts and turns into caramel. When you reach this point, gradually add half a cup of hot water and keep stirring until it becomes completely liquid. And take the opportunity to tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. At this point, it is perfect. Right after, transfer all of this syrup into a pudding mold. The mold I am using is 22 centimeters in diameter and 8 centimeters high. With the help of a spatula, spread the caramel along the sides of the mold, just like I am doing. After finishing this step, add the entire mixture we prepared in the blender. And if you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe to impress everyone, you just found it, so save it so you don't lose it. We are going to bake in a water bath, so put this mold inside a larger one and add water up to halfway. Once that's done, cover the pan with aluminum foil. After finishing this process, put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 1 hour. After this time, our bread pudding is ready, everyone. Now just turn it onto a plate and check the results. Every time I make this recipe at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your home, I'm sure it will be no different. It's a great option to bring to the table on weekends and gather the family. And look at this incredible result. Simply perfect. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until now, don't forget to give a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what rating does this pudding deserve? Now, I'll leave you here. A big hug and see you in the next video.